Hey gamers, Blade Master Greg here with an epic ninja joke. A priest, a rabbi, and a ninja walk into a bar, and the bartender says, "Nice to see you two." Today, we got this sent in from Epic Warren, pictured here. Alright, anyway, this looks pretty cool. I think it's a battle axe, but there might be a man inside. Let's open this bad boy up. Is an axe. Out of the box, blade is sharp. Look at this nice crafted finish. It comes with a display. So you can mount it on your wall. I hate these things. So on that first chop, I smashed through it, but you could probably still use it. But also the top came off and now it's on the floor. First test, chop test. Comment below if you think I have a dad bod. All right, listen up, my little potato cakes. I know what you're thinking. Snore. Blade Master Greg, this is a bore. Well, guess what? This time, I'm gonna give you more. Hi-ya! A lot of you tater cakes say, epic blade review, just chop cans. Well, this time, we're gonna chop a blade with a can. Shooting a can, 5.56 blanks out of this can cannon. Cans in the pot, time to get hot. Damage assessment, I don't care. Okay gamers, today we're gonna find out who'd win in a battle between pre-gun and post-gun. So we're gonna shoot this with all these epic guns from the Epic Blade Arsenal. Let's get to shooting for the Colonial Settlers. First, 22 long rifle from my mom's Ruger SR22. So, blade held up really well. As you can see, there's only a little bit of damage, but the handle already broke off. Not looking too hot. All right, gamers, next flaming potato is 380 shot out of a 1911 by Browning. Up next, 410 gauge out of this nice over-under. Comment who's your favorite blader. This stinky potato blade is holding up pretty well so far. Some of you boys might remember this. 5.56 out of my Panther Arms AR-15. Comment potato, potato, greasy potato, and I'll review this bayonet. I hit it on the ends and it went through. Comment spicy potato. Up next, 3-inch 12 gauge from my Browning Invector. Damage assessment. That birdshot did a number on this baby. A lot of screws came out. Next, 30-30 out of my Marlin lever action. I'm gonna dedicate this shot to all the vegans out there and people on the Keto or Atkins diet. Just like the Colonials wanted. Just blew the top off that boy. Comment spicy mayonnaise. Finally, 303 British out of this bolt action rifle. All right, gamers, let's wrap it up. So against the guns, it didn't do too bad, but I wouldn't recommend it because every time we chopped, it immediately started getting loose and falling apart. That's probably why it comes with a display. But if you comment, I love Blade Master Greg the most, then I'll send you this brand new one that you can display on a wall, or maybe, I don't know. Till next time, stay deadly. Speed chop, time me, Alec Hockey Bookie son. Worth it for the speed chop. Whoever's getting this is getting it broken. Bye gamers, I love you. That was to all the vegans out there.